After a lot of heaving, the car is in the garage, ready for its next phase of life. The assembly begins. The skillful work of the designer, everything just bolts up beautifully. Of course, I'm also a master of sarcasm. There's a spacer in here so that I can shim the camber. I understand they've invented machines to do this. The shim on this side is 1 millimetre thicker than the shim on the other side for the same camber, because the designer couldn't get within a millimetre's accuracy when he moved to the engineering stage. Finger tight's cool. The hinged subframe makes it very easy to install the diff and rear end assembly. Calipers are in place. The brake pads might be a little worn, but they're easy enough to change out. Now just to tighten everything up. There's always one hard to get at bolt. In this case, it's this one here, tucked in under the caliper, on top of the bearing, and jammed up by the sprocket. I hunted high and low for an M10 fine with a 14mm head. Found one, perfect fit. I have to use the open end of the spanner, which is a swine, but there we are. I'll torque everything up when I go through the bolt and nut checking stage at the close of the build. The headers can only be installed from underneath the car, which means I need to cut a removable section in the floor. I'm using a oscillating saw. It gives a thinner cut and I can cut more accurately by eye. Okay, one removable floor section. Now to fix the floor in place. The plan is to glue it with adhesive sealant, then clamp it, and then rivet it in with these large head flange rivets. All done while I'm lying upside down. What could go wrong? Lovely. I like it when a plan comes together. A lot of adjustments and amendments and fiddling about on the detail items. back mounting is tighter than a fish's backside. Aha, we're hanging up on a mounting bolt. Yes! There's some Tetris involved because some parts have to be assembled, such as the sprocket, chain and clutch cover and the exhaust manifolds. And so as Wellington enjoys summer rain, I'll sign off at this point. That's the major part of the assembly done. From now on it's plumbing, electrics, a bit of fiddling and fettling to get it up to running condition, and then add the bodywork and tune it, and well, endless really.